delicious homemade chicken shawarma wraps and vegetable samosas, affordable iftar and Ramadan special for beginners. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to show you how to make mouthwatering homemade chicken shawarma wraps and crispy vegetable samosas. These recipes are perfect for iftar and Ramadan, and they're super affordable and beginner-friendly. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Homemade chicken shawarma wraps. To start our iftar feast, we'll prepare delicious chicken shawarma wraps. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 500 grams boneless chicken thighs. 1 cup plain yogurt. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon ground turmeric. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Wraps. Fresh vegetables for garnish, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. Begin by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, combine yogurt, minced garlic, ground cumin, ground coriander, paprika, turmeric, cinnamon, salt, and pepper. Mix it well to form a smooth paste. Step 2. Adding chicken to the marinade. Cut the boneless chicken thighs into thin strips and add them to the marinade. Make sure each piece is coated evenly. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight in the refrigerator for enhanced flavors. Step 3. Cooking the chicken. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the marinated chicken and cook until it's golden brown and fully cooked. Step 4. Assembling the shawarma wraps. Now, let's assemble our shawarma wraps. Warm the wraps on a pan for a few seconds, then add a generous amount of the cooked chicken. Top it with fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Drizzle with your favorite sauce, tahini or garlic sauce works wonders. Segment 2. Vegetable samosas. Now that our chicken shawarma wraps are ready, let's move on to our vegetable samosas. These crispy bites are a delightful addition to your iftar spread. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups boiled and mashed potatoes. 1 cup mixed vegetables, peas, carrots, corn. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 green chilies, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Salt to taste. Oil for frying. Step 1. Preparing the filling. In a pan, heat some oil and add cumin seeds. Once they splutter, add chopped onions and green chilies. Sauté until the onions are golden brown. Add the boiled and mashed potatoes, mixed vegetables, garam masala, coriander powder, and salt. Mix everything well and let it cool. Step 2. Folding the samosas. Take a samosa wrapper and fold it into a cone shape, sealing the edges with a flour water paste. Fill the cone with the vegetable mixture, making sure not to overfill. Seal the open edge to form a triangular samosa. Step 3. Frying the samosas. Heat oil in a deep pan for frying. Once hot, carefully add the samosas and fry until they are golden brown and crispy. Make sure to fry them in batches for even cooking. Step 4. Serving the vegetable samosas. Drain the excess oil from the fried samosas on a paper towel. Serve these crispy vegetable samosas with your favorite chutney or sauce. They're sure to be a hit at your iftar table. And there you have it, our delicious and affordable homemade chicken shawarma wraps and vegetable samosas, perfect for iftar and Ramadan. These recipes are beginner-friendly, so don't hesitate to give them a try. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. We hope you enjoyed this special Ramadan edition. If you liked this video, please Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Ramadan Mubarak to all of you. Thank you very much chicken shawarma wraps and vegetable samosas lovers.